National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 16, effective until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time, or 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This watch includes the following counties in Florida: Calhoun and Jackson and Seminole, Georgia, and the following: coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Mexico Beach out to 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out to 20 nautical miles.
You go over here.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the
I have
watch
no idea where
area.
that came from.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. You are listening to NOAA Weather.